Hello! Today I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the cool things you can do by connecting SurveyMonkey and DataHero. With this video, you'll see some examples of how we would use DataHero to analyze survey information on customer satisfaction. Once you're logged into DataHero, click on the SurveyMonkey icon on the left. Click Connect to SurveyMonkey and then enter your login information so that we can access your account. Remember that we'll show you a list of surveys you can import, but won't import anything without your consent. Now I can choose which survey I'd like to analyze and import it. Let's select the customer satisfaction survey. The data decoder looks for patterns in the data you upload so that it can suggest the most relevant charts to you later. You can see that the data is all categorized by question and response, but I need to recategorize the states. Now I can confirm that the data looks good. I'd like to take a look at how convenient our users find the data decoder. The decoder is a specific service that DataHero offers, and I'd like to look at how people see both the specific service and DataHero as a whole. These suggested charts are a result of DataHero's analysis, but I want to walk you through creating your own chart today. If I drag on the data decoder question on the graph, DataHero creates a pie chart for me that shows me the percentage of survey respondents who found the decoder useful in some capacity. A little over 20% found the decoder not convenient. Now I'd like to look at the relationship between people who found the data decoder convenient and how likely people were to recommend DataHero to a friend or colleague. I'd like to see how important this feature is in relation to the general satisfaction of our users. To accomplish this, I drag the likeliness to recommend question onto the filter, so I can see only people who are less likely to recommend DataHero and see how they felt about the convenience of the data decoder. I can see that 47% of people who were not likely to recommend DataHero found the data decoder to be not convenient. If we take a look at people who are likely to recommend DataHero to friends or colleagues, we might see something different. So I'll go to Filters and adjust to see only people who rated themselves as likely to recommend DataHero to a friend or colleague. 73% of people who are likely to recommend DataHero found the data decoder to be convenient. That's actually quite interesting and leads me to believe the data decoder and how well it performs is significant in people's perceptions of DataHero. Perhaps I should focus more of my marketing efforts on promoting or finding ways to improve the decoder. Now I'll take a look at the likeliness to recommend DataHero in regards to location. I'll drag on the likeliness to recommend and state. DataHero automatically creates an aggregation for the number and defaulted to a sum, but I'm really looking for the average value per state, so I'll switch that aggregation. Then let's change the map type to fill in the entire state instead of using markers, and then we'll zoom in on the United States, since that's where all my data is coming from. I can then hover over certain states to see the average likeliness to recommend statistic to see where my company is doing well and where we could stand to improve. So those are some suggestions on how to use DataHero and SurveyMonkey together. Leave us a video response or shoot us an email at the link in the video description.